Greetings, health enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification button for more content like this. Today we're embarking on day 2 of our journey to health, guided by the culinary expertise of Chef Mustafa. We're serving up a menu of mouth-watering meals, each packed with nutrition and flavor to fuel your day. Now gear up for some delicious and nutritious meals for your day. Begin your day with a plate of creamy Greek yogurt, topped with your favorite mixed fruits like strawberries, raspberries, and banana pieces. Imagine the burst of flavors as the sweetness of the fruits melds with the tanginess of the yogurt. This is not just a breakfast, but a feast for the senses, a celebration of health. First, spoon out a generous serving of Greek yogurt into a bowl. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse of protein and probiotics, keeping you full and your gut healthy. Next, chop up some fresh strawberries, raspberries, and bananas. These fruits are not just delicious, but also packed with essential vitamins and fiber. They add a natural sweetness and a pop of color to your breakfast. Then, drizzle a little bit of natural honey over the fruits and yogurt. Honey is a healthier alternative to sugar, providing a subtle sweetness while also boosting your body's antioxidants. Finally, sprinkle your favorite nuts on top. Almonds, walnuts, or cashews, take your pick. These nuts provide the necessary crunch, along with a dose of healthy fats and proteins. Mix it all up, and there you have it. A breakfast that's not just pleasing to the palate, but also loaded with health benefits. This meal is a perfect blend of proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, giving you a balanced start to your day. Enjoy this delightful breakfast to start your day on a healthy note. For lunch, we have a hearty and nutritious crispy vegetable soup. Let's dive into the preparation. Start with an array of your favorite vegetables. We're using carrots, peas, and zucchini today. Carrots are a fantastic source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for good vision and a healthy immune system. Peas, on the other hand, are packed with fiber and protein, helping you feel full and satisfied. And let's not forget zucchinis. These versatile veggies are low in calories, but high in antioxidants, contributing to heart health and better digestion. Begin by sautéing your vegetables in a bit of olive oil until they're slightly crispy. This process enhances their natural flavors and makes the soup more delicious. While your vegetables are sautéing, you can start preparing the base of your soup. For the soup base, we're using vegetable stock. Vegetable stock is a powerhouse of nutrients and flavors, making it an excellent base for our soup. It's easy to make at home. All you need is water, some vegetable scraps, and a few herbs and spices. If you're short on time, you can always use a store-bought version. Just make sure to check the sodium content, as some brands can be quite high in salt. Once your vegetables are sautéed and your stock is ready, combine the two in a large pot. Let it simmer for around 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. This is the perfect time to add your seasonings. Some freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of sea salt should do the trick. Remember, the beauty of this soup lies in its versatility. Feel free to experiment with different vegetables and seasonings. The goal is to create a soup that's not only delicious, but also tailored to your taste buds. Now, pour your soup into a bowl, garnish with some fresh herbs, and voila! Your crispy vegetable soup is ready to serve. This soup is a perfect blend of health and taste, providing a balanced, nutritious meal that's also utterly delicious. This delicious soup will fill you up and keep you energized for the rest of the day. As the day winds down, treat yourself to a sumptuous dinner of grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. A dish that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also nourishes your body with essential nutrients. To begin with, let's focus on the star of the dish, the salmon. Select a fresh, firm salmon fillet, rich in omega-3 fatty acids which are vital for heart health. Season it with a dash of salt and pepper and grill it to perfection. The trick is to grill it just right until it's flaky and tender, yet retains its juiciness. Now, while the salmon is grilling, let's prepare the lemon butter sauce. In a saucepan, melt some unsalted butter. Add the juice of a freshly squeezed lemon, a touch of garlic, and a pinch of salt. Simmer it gently, allowing the flavors to fuse together. The tangy lemon combined with the richness of butter will create a sauce that adds a burst of flavor to the grilled salmon. But we're not done yet. Remember, a balanced meal is key to a healthy diet. So let's complement our protein-rich salmon with some fiber and vitamins from wild rice and asparagus. Cook the wild rice as per its package instructions. The nutty flavor and chewy texture of wild rice add an interesting contrast to the soft, flaky salmon. And finally, onto the asparagus. Lightly toss them in olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and grill them alongside the salmon. Asparagus being a good source of fiber, folate, and vitamins A, C, E, and K, adds a healthy and delicious crunch to the meal. Arrange the grilled salmon on a plate, drizzle the lemon butter sauce over it, and serve it with the wild rice and grilled asparagus on the side. This delicious dinner is the perfect way to end your day, packed with nutrition and flavors. That wraps up day 2 of our journey to health. We've journeyed through a day of nourishing meals, starting with a breakfast of creamy Greek yogurt, adorned with a medley of fruits, a drizzle of natural honey, and a sprinkle of your favorite nuts. For lunch, we savored a hearty vegetable soup, brimming with your favorite veggies like carrots, peas, and zucchini. And who can forget the delightful dinner? Grilled salmon with a zesty lemon butter sauce, served over a bed of wild rice and grilled vegetables. A symphony of flavors indeed. Each of these meals is not just delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that your body craves. We hope you'll try these recipes and continue to nourish your body with wholesome foods. Remember, your journey to health is a marathon, not a sprint. Thank you for watching. We'd love to know your thoughts on these recipes, so please leave your comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.